Good morning, Standard 5. I am going to continue chapter 4 States of Matter. In this video, I am going to explain you the topic about the expansion and contraction. So, let us know about it. So, expansion means the increase in the volume of substance due to heating is known as expansion. So, dear students, this is the definition of expansion. The increase in the volume. The increase in the volume of the substance due to heating. Dear student, due to heating is known as expansion. Let us understand, according to the arrangement of atom, how on heating what change take place in the arrangement of atoms, dear student. So, suppose that this is a solid. This is a solid substance. As we know that in solid, atoms are closely packed. Atoms are closely packed, dear student. So, when we heat two of a solid substance in which atoms are closely packed, as we increase the temperature, as we heat it, atoms start to vibrate. Atoms start to vibrate on its place and try to move far from each other. Try to move far from each other. And when we increase the temperature, the solid state change into liquid, yes, change into liquid. Why? Because atom on heating move far from each other, and this is known as a expansion. Means on heating, atoms move far from each other, and this lead to expansion. So once again you try to understand it. The increase in the volume of a substance due to heating is known as a expansion. So as you see in the solid, atoms are closely packed, but as you heat, first atom will start vibrating in its fixed place and slowly try to move far from each other, and it leads to increase the volume of the substance, also change the state from one state to another, from solid to liquid, liquid to gas. Next is contraction. What do you mean by contraction? The decrease in the volume of substance due to cooling due to cooling, 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 due to cooling is known as contraction. So this is the definition of contraction. The decrease in the volume. The decrease in the volume of the substance due to cooling or decrease of the temperature is known as a contraction, dear student. Let us understand. According to the arrangement of the atoms in the state of the matter. So, in a liquid, dear student, in liquid, atoms are loosely arranged. So, see here, atoms are loosely arranged this way. There is space between the two atoms. There is space between the two atoms. You see, dear student, there is space between the atoms. So, when we decrease the temperature on cooling, atoms will come close to each other. They will come close to each other, and the state of the matter will change from liquid to solid, and this is known as a contraction, dear student. And it is being done due to the decrease of the temperature. Due to the decrease of the temperature. Whenever the temperature is being decreased, atoms come closer and the state of the matter change from liquid to solid, or from the gaseous to liquid. And this is known as a contraction, dear student. So once again, expansion means solid to liquid, and the atoms which are closely packed will change to loosely packed due to heating. But whereas in the contraction, atoms which are loosely packed, they are closely packed due to the decrease in the temperature or on cooling. So dear student, please you read the topic and learn about the contraction and expansion. Thank you, dear students.